Hey folks, just a quick note. On the 20th of May, I'll be skipping that video. I'm on the road from the US back to Ontario, and I look forward to catch up to you again on May 27th, Monday at noon. Until then, see ya! Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today's simple and delicious recipe is zucchini sticks. I put some parmesan, some different spices in it. I baked them. We'll put together our own Creole seasoning. There's lots of different seasonings out there, Cajun, Creole. Cajun's a little spicier. We're doing a Creole. You probably have a lot of these spices up in your cupboard. We'll blend them together. You're gonna love it. Let's get cooking. Just a quick reminder, all my recipes are below each video. Let's put together some Creole seasoning. First, we'll put in 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Give it a good mix and it'll keep for several months in an airtight container. Well, let's dice up the zucchini. We'll cut the ends off, and then lengthways we'll cut it in half. And then each half we'll cut into 3 strips. Then we'll cut all of those in half. Then we'll do the same to the other half of our zucchini. So with just 2 zucchinis, we're going to end up with 24 zucchini sticks. So here's all the items I'm going to need. A cookie sheet with some parchment paper on it. 1 egg, well beaten. Now using a separate container, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of Italian breadcrumbs. And to that, 3/4 of a cup of grated parmesan. For low carb, just eliminate the breadcrumbs and double up on the parm. We have our Creole seasoning that we put together. We'll put in a tablespoon of that right into our breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese, and then give that a good mix. Let's prepare the zucchini sticks for the oven. Thoroughly wet them in the egg mixture, and then completely cover them in the dry mixture over to the parchment paper, and it's that simple. We'll get them into a preheated 425 Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, there they are, nicely browned up. Oh my, it's time to plate them up. Just simply arrange them on a plate with your favorite dipping sauce. Oh my. Doesn't that look delicious? Well, how's that for simple and delicious? Whether you're using these as a side dish or an appetizer, they both work. And I'm dipping them in a little bit of ranch dressing. A marinara sauce works great as well. You can reheat these the next day in a toaster oven, and they're wonderful. Well, let's not mess around here. Let's give it a whirl. Oh, that little crunchy outside, the Parmesan, the Creole seasoning, you're gonna love it. Thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
High fashion, gold sterling, waiting at the station for the next gravy train.
Well, that's another simple and delicious. Simple? God.
Pretend you do